I Just Fall in Love Again by Anne Marie. Sana magustuhan niyo po. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. I am really lying here waiting. Baby, you take me in your arms. And though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch a day, it happens every time.
Life has begun from this moment. You're the one right beside you. It's where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give you last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start.
Strength the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I will leave you turn me down. You make me feel really good inside. Wish you I'm about to give up on the side where no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the things that never true. You break this heart that and suddenly I'm at the start. And just smile, the face, your lips that I miss. Sweet little eyes stare at me and make me say I'm with you forever.
Parang di ko yata kaya pag sa buhay ko'y wala ka. Akin ang pag-ibig kung puso ay nag-iisa. Sinong aking tatawagin? Sinong aking hahanapin? Sino ang magpupuno sa aking pagkadambigin? Bakit nga pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo na at sasaktan kung siya'y higit sa akin.
You don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't let you in. You walk away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone will hurt someone like you, and if I was there, I'd be right by your side. Laying the troubles on my shoulder, but the words in my back was your love, and you are gone.
I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life?
The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go to temporary lives, a chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps me say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing's come for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be alone. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection over quite imperfect words, and fool enough to taste that what I find.